Well, my garden looks pretty good. These are tomatoes and peppers over here. Over here is beans. This is the first time we've ever grown beans. We're not really sure what we're doing, so we're going to see how that goes. The squash is out of control. These are cucumbers. This bed's pretty full. This is okra over here, and I believe this is going to be spinach. This is Swiss chard and kale over here, and I have some more things going on over here. My problem is with the broccoli. This is the first time we've ever grown broccoli. Drew wanted to grow broccoli, strangely enough. But as you can see, the lovely little cabbage worm is tearing up my broccoli. You know, we come out here every day and we pull that little worm off and we put him over here in the dish soap, but he's still getting the better of my plants, and I just don't see how it's going to, I don't see how I'm going to have any broccoli if it keeps going this way. So I will take all recommendations for killing the broccoli worm. I'm trying to do organic gardening this year. Oh yeah, these are carrots. So no pesticides, please. But yeah, this is the decimation of my broccoli plants. Over here, I've got some bell peppers. Bell peppers growing. But they're getting rather anty too. Like the ants are not like, they're really liking these plants. So look, I got some peppers over here. So yeah, trying to get rid of ants and broccoli worms or cabbage worms. Let me know if you have any good solutions.